We just keep coming back because it's such a friendly place and it's comfortable, it's quiet. It's just very relaxing, and I mean, look at the scenery. How can you not want to be here?
This place is different because it's just like coming home. Bill and Carol and Hillary are they're like our friends. We've been coming up for 25 years. The kids were 5, 6, and 8 when we came up. And we've been coming up every year, and they're 30, 31, and 33 now. And they each rent their own cottage, and the girls are having a ball, aren't you, at the beach.
It's a great place for families, especially if you're looking for just a place to get away and just relax. And if you like the rustic setting, this is the place to be.
So I've been coming up for the last 6 years with my boyfriend's family. It's been a great time. I love coming up with them. I really feel like I'm part of the family and really have like just a sense of being at home while we're here. It's a great experience.
It's exactly like having your own cottage. We've been in cottage 1, cottage 5, cottage 4, and there's always new improvements to the cottage. This year we got a new barbecue and a new roof. In the past years we got new stairs up to the cottage, and he added a sunroom. And I could have kissed him last year when he put in a new kitchen. We got new kitchen cabinets. Yes, we did, and a new sink.
I would say you would want to choose Pine Grove because it's not too big and it's not too commercialized. And you are going to choose Pine Grove because it's very much a northern nature, back in the woods type of place.
My advice to anybody who's thinking about coming to Pine Grove would be to definitely come. The hospitality, the owners are amazing, and they make it definitely enjoyable and a homey feeling, and they always make sure that you have everything you need, and it's a lovely place.